Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us at the market site, we have Tobias Jung. He's a product owner at T-Systems, an internationally operating service provider for information technologies and digital transformation. The company is part of Deutsche Telekom AG, one of the world's leading integrated telecommunication companies. Tobias joins me from SmartCon 2022, taking place in New York City, which brings together industry luminaries from Web 2 and Web 3, including top thought leaders, researchers, builders, and more. Tobias, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to MarketSite.
Thanks for having me.
Tell us about T-Systems. How might people be most familiar with your company?
Yes, so T-Systems is a German company, so maybe a little bit unknown within the US, and we mainly focus on providing services in the area of, like you said, information technology and digital transformation. One might know our parent company, Deutsche Telekom, a little bit, which is the second largest telco company in the world. And if this is unknown, you might know T-Mobile US, which is also where Deutsche Telekom is a majority shareholder within.
Tell us about the partnership with T-Systems and Chainlink Labs. What is the company building on the Chainlink network?
So we are not building upon the Chainlink network, we are part of the Chainlink network. So what we do is we run Chainlink nodes and provide real-life data to the Ethereum blockchain. So, you know, on the blockchain, you have a lot of data on the blockchain, but you also have data in real life, which somehow needs to get transported onto the blockchain. And this is what we do through our Oracle services. So we run Chainlink nodes. And so what we do in a nutshell is we do transactions on the Ethereum blockchain with this data, and then we get rewarded in so-called link tokens, and we monetize them. So we use the native cryptocurrency to maintain our business operations.
When did you get interested in the Web3 space?
Yes, this is a good question. Let's maybe look a little bit further back. So Deutsche Telekom is an infrastructure provider. So we have been building infrastructure for the mobile first, setting up all the telco towers and telecom lines. After this, the internet. We dug up all the holes and in the ground and put the internet cables into the ground. And then at some point, you need to think, what is the next infrastructure play? And there we thought, what is the next iteration of the internet? It's Web 3. Web 3 utilizes blockchain technology, and this is what we try to support from the infrastructure side now at T-Systems.
Where does T-Systems see the biggest opportunities in the Web3 space?
Yes, there are definitely a lot of opportunities, especially when it comes to giving ownership back to the individual user, particularly if you look at social media, for instance, but also in the whole banking sector with regards to digitalization of tokenization of digital assets.
What does the company's roadmap look like as you look forward when it comes to the Web3 space?
Yes, of course, to further expand our infrastructure services across different blockchain networks, and then also kind of go into the role of an educator, particularly for other retail customers of Deutsche Telekom, but also for other companies who also are thinking of joining the space. And then, also try to connect our telco services with blockchain technology. I think recently just got announced that, for instance, T-Mobile US is joining the Helium network. So things like this are very interesting, and we can't wait to also further support.
All right, Tobias, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.